And when we say, did you know that our pet food system is completely intertwined with our human food system? They'll say, no, we had no idea. So when we're changing the human food system, there's a ripple effect, but vice versa as well. And so we're seeing that this is an opportunity to really reimagine what we think about in terms of health and wellness. The dogs are the example, and dogs are almost like a canary in the coal mine for us of showing us the problems in our systems, because we see the same health problems in them at a faster rate and a higher rate than we're seeing in ourselves. But that's in part because their lifespans are shorter. So we're seeing the impacts with our dogs getting as sick as they are of what's actually happening to us. Now, there's an invitation for us to not only care for our dogs, but in doing that, we're caring for ourselves. And for example, with the 81%, we're also caring for our planet. So we see this as something that can really spark just a different way of thinking about what it means to have dogs, what it means to be humans in the world as stewards, and what it means to shape these systems around not just a human-centered perspective or a quick ROI perspective, but actually taking a different perspective on what return on investment actually means.